Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today guys, what we're going to do is we're going to unbox this one. By the way guys, this is DJI Mavic mini drone camera, and I just want to say thank you to my friend guys because she let me to use her credit card. I'm really happy today guys, mga 7 days ko siyang inantay bago dumating. Okay, open na natin siya guys. So, gamit tong gunting. Ayan. I'm excited guys to see what this drone can do. Yan, may pasobre sila. Ano kaya laman nito? Okay, this is Rakuten guys, the online shop name. The styro, yung nagpapamahal nito. Taran! Mavic.
Wow.
Mavic Mini. Combo to siya guys. Meron na siyang, ito yata yung package na itong 3 batteries. I don't know kung ano yung iba. By the way guys, this is about 60,000 in Japanese yen. Kaya hindi ako kakain ng mga 3 buwan.
Wow. So yeah.
Mga notes. Actually,
Manual,
di naman
manual.
natin binabasa to. Ayan. Ang haba, parang receipt ng ano. Nagkaimuno ka, nag-shopping ka, nag-supermarket. This one guys, deal or no deal? Oh, sugoi ko re.
So good.
Ayan gan. Dalawa siya, dalawa.
Parang extending spare.
And now, yung drone camera. Okay, DJI Mavic is right on the pocket. Buksan natin siya. Kita ko sa inyo. Open the briefcase. Tadaan! Ito yung laman niya. Ganito. Pagkatisok. Meron pa silang maganda.
Yung headset.
Hindi ko alam yan. Okay, the USB cable. Ang dami niyang wire. 3. Meron siyang ano, pang Android. Tas pang iPhone.
So, dyan na.
Then ito. Hindi
Yung
ko alam
monitor.
kung ano to.
Para monitor.
Ito is USB. USB cable din. I think para charger to eh.
Ito.
Ang dami niyang wire. Ito guys, ano to?
Tools.
Tools.
Tool.
Yes.
Sir.
Yung screwdriver.
Para sa palabad mo.
And now, we have the
Wow.
okay guys, the controller. Ito. Iwan ko para maglalaro kang ganun
Yan lang.
And now, this one.
Wow.
Yan guys. Mas malaki pa yung iPhone kaysa dito. So maliit lang siya. It looks like a toy. Pero di siya laruan na. And guys, ito pa. I don't know, maybe this is the battery. First pair. Yan, sinira ko na kasi ano ang hirap ng buksan. Okay, this is the battery guys, 3 piraso. Kasi once yung bibilhin nyo is yung ganto lang, yung ito, 1 piraso lang, ito lang siya. Ano, pag hindi combo is 46,000 yata. Pag combo kasi is 60,000. So meron siyang 3 battery. This is the charger.
Oh, mau ini siya mo eh. Kaya milak. Oh. So po mo ni dira ba? Charger. Di ba tong charger?
And now guys, they have the adapter ng charger. Ganito yung mukha.
Video. Yung tabo na ka mo.
Okay guys, ito po yung DJI Mavic mini drone camera at tapos na tayong mag-unboxing. And next video guys is we will try to have the first flight of this drone. Titingnan natin kung ano yung quality niya, yung quality ng videos niya, kung maganda ba o hindi. Actually guys, this is my first drone camera. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video and see you on my next vlog.